So, Madam Chair, yung unang tanong ko, matagal na pong advokasya ng ACT at ng aming party list yung sweldo ng mga guro. No? So, sa bahagi po ng DepEd, ano po ba ang position nyo rito? In the past, we've asked you to support our call to make the teacher one salary 25,000 a month. So, how close will we be to that demand, Secretary?
Your Honor, as you all know, DepEd publicly has supported all calls for an increase in the salaries of teachers. The only discussion in all of those fora was really the how much. No? We know that in the 2016 budget, there is an allocation for a so-called SSL4, not necessarily just for teachers, but for all government workers. I will leave that to the DBM Secretary because I know that there was a presentation made to the President, and I think that was attended by the economic cluster. I was not part of it, but I know at the very least that has been presented, and they're just looking at the how much. The other consideration, Your Honor, is how exactly will that be distributed? Because there are earlier discussions on whether you put that just across the board for every public servant, or do you want to include that so that you do a top up more for those that are in the middle level to higher level instead of the entry level and the like. No? I will leave that discussion and the final decision. I suppose Congress will also be consulted in that aspect.
Thank you for that, Secretary. Nagpapasalamat kami sa suporta nyo sa panawagan namin para sa increase. Sa totoo lang, inaantay na lang ng Kongreso talaga yung proposal from DBM. No?